Alright, so we're going to be removing the navigation information screen off a 2008 CL63. We go first starting off by removing this little air vent. It just pops out pretty easy. And right there you're going to have a T20 Twerks. Ours is already out. Once you get that out, you can start working your way around the plastic trim. So you're going to have to pop out the little centerpiece. It's a metal clip, so it pops out pretty easy. Okay, this pops out pretty easy as well. Just gonna take your time with it. It is fragile plastic. So once you get that off, you're gonna have to remove the center buttons. There's gonna be a T20 Twerks in the bottom. Okay, start off from the bottom. Pull it out on the bottom. So now you can have T20 Twerks for the navigation screen. And just hold on to the screws, be really careful with them so they don't fall into the dashboard because you won't find them. There's actually a third Twerks. It's kind of tight fit to get to the plugs. There's going to be 2 plugs on the back. So far, it's the best way is to do it from the driver's side.